Okay, so Dan, we have a lot of people call us to do quotes for metal roofs, and it's become a very popular product. So when one of our sales guys shows up on the job, kind of walk the customer through what the process is before the estimate even happens.
Gotcha. Yeah, so the first thing they do is they take a lot of pictures so that everybody can be on the same page as far as what's going on. Then they inspect the roof to make sure, what condition is the roof decking, what's on the roof currently, what components do we need to have in order to properly install this roof. They get into the attic, they take a look at the attic, make sure there's proper ventilation, proper insulation, which is, a lot of guys don't do that, and that's probably one of the most important components of a properly installed metal roof so that you don't have the condensation issues. Make sure there's no mold in the attic, and make sure that if there's any bath vents, that they're not just blowing up in the attic. That's where also you get condensation from on a lot of roofs and mold issues. So we make sure that we do a thorough inspection so that we know that every roof that we install is properly installed.
So tell them why condensation is important. Like, what does it do?
So condensation on metal roofs, so your shingle roofs don't transfer your cold temperature from the outside during the winter as much as a metal roof does. Metal roof has the screws coming through there, plus metal has a great convector. So what happens is your attic, if it's not properly insulated or ventilated, you have that warm air in the attic, and your cold metal roof is on the top, and it just condensates there, and it's same as you have a roof leak, but we get up in there and we take a look at it, and it's not a roof leak, it's condensation. So we want to try to get that eliminated before we ever install the roof. That way we know that when we do a roof, we want to make sure it's the proper, done the proper way.
Okay, that makes sense.